you had a tag of either a television actor or a movie actor. There was no space in between. So the tags were pretty harsh. वो ये कहाँ से 17 साल का play करेगी? नहीं यार तुम गाँव वाला ही करो. बहुत सारी चीजें होती है. But I begged for an audition. I didn't just wait. I got to do अंग्रेजी. Otherwise कोई नहीं देख पा रहा था मुझे. मैं उनको स्क्रीनिंग में नहीं पहचान पा रहे थे. मुझसे मेरी परफॉर्मेंसेस के बारे में बात कर रहे थे कि एक लड़की आई है. वो मैं ही हूँ. After Pataka, a lot of village roles were coming up to me. After अंग्रेजी सारे बच्चों के रोल्स आ रहे थे मेरे पास. मैं सेम चीज़ क्यों करूँगी? I've been called surfery in my life a lot of times. A lot of times. Now I'm so comfortable with that word. भोर में शूट कर रहे थे, हवाई में शूट कर रहे थे. वो ट्रैक्स पे निकल जाते थे अपने लंच ब्रेक में. पहाड़ चढ़ के आ गए हैं नीचे 1 घंटे में. So he's really professional, really into fitness. I agree. We're yet to find roles जहाँ पर हम ज़्यादा नहीं देखते एक older woman या younger guy को लेके. I love being challenged. I love playing characters which other people might feel like she can't do it. When my father paid Balaji to cast me in a television show, I wish he had that kind of money.
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble. I am Akriti Bagla and today I am with an actress who truly is magical, I would say, every time she appears on screen. Radhika, hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble.
Thank you. That's so kind of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, first of all, Radhika, for doing this after Sarfira especially. Because you know, when I saw the movie, I saw your character. First thing I want to ask, when was that time in your life you realized that it is necessary as a woman to be financially independent?
From my childhood, I remember my mother just telling me that you need to earn your own money.
Yeah.
And it was just ingrained in me so deeply that when I grew up, I was like, I need to just be financially independent. Yeah. And so yeah, like since my childhood also.
But did you anticipate the positive response that is coming for your character?
I didn't expect this kind of response. It's really humbling and I'm extremely overwhelmed and grateful. I just thought that हाँ अच्छा लग जाए बस लोगों को.
Yeah.
But this response is something else and I'm extremely grateful.
But you know, Radhika, today to reach at this stage, it has taken a lot.
Huh.
Okay. But when you now sit back and look at it, my work is appreciated. How is that feeling like?
It's amazing. It gives you more energy to put in even more hard work the next time. It just recharges you. So that validation is important.
Yeah.
So yes, I'm fully charged up. I'm more hungry, more driven, I have more fire in my belly, and I can't wait to hop on to my next.
But as a person, Radhika, box office success, like the commercial value or audience reception towards your work, what matters to you at this stage?
See, both are important.
Yeah.
Both are important because it does affect your career. I try to stick to things which are in my control, which is my craft, my performance. If I've try to find some truth in whatever I've tried to portray on screen. I just focus on that and then I leave it up to people who have an expertise on the other areas like promotions or marketing or how you want to sell it or other factors which I don't have an expertise in. So I just do my job and try and give my 100% to it. But the good thing is that whoever is watching the film, they are really liking it. Yeah. I really wanted to reach as many people as it can. It is a story which is extremely inspiring. And yeah, that is it.
But which emotion aspect did you resonated with and it touched you? Like, okay, this is the project I want to do now.
I've been called surfery in my life a lot of times. A lot of times. Now I'm so comfortable with that word. People have called me crazy. Why don't you think from your mind and all of that? So I really relate to the fact that this voice inside you that screams that this is your path and keep going on. And sometimes people who are practical in life, they're not able to see it and they don't believe in that and you just have you. So I think this is one emotion that I related with the film. That's one thing that made me say yes.
But you know, also I noticed about your character is when you are making a certain choice, ठीक है, people are judging you. अरे ये इतना choosy क्यों हो रही है? She should now get married. Career वरियर तो चलेगा. Especially when you said that dialogue कि पैसा तुम्हारा या मेरा नहीं, हम दोनों का है. Despite being a female, you said that thing, right?
Correct.
I want to know, when you were making certain decisions about your career, were there noises around you कि no Radhika, don't do this, or you are taking a wrong step maybe?
I've been blessed with a great team. They really trust me. They just ask me one question, that do you really want to do it?
Yeah.
So I just say yes or no or whatever. So I love being challenged. I love playing characters which other people might feel like she can't do it.
Yeah.
So whenever I hear that, I'm like, let me just prove it. Otherwise, let me just figure it out on my own. My joy is just living different lives, and that is it. So I can't. Very early in my career, I think Vasan Bala sir told me that Radhika, दिमाग मत लगाइयो, just go with your heart. Heart ने यहाँ तक पहुँचाया है. Just enjoy it, enjoy the process of it, and that is it. Don't plan your career.
But have you been someone जिसने career plan नहीं किया? Or acting was like something on your card since childhood?
No, not. I didn't plan anything. It was fate for me, totally fate. I wanted to be a professional dancer. I'm trained in jazz.
I see.
I wanted to learn tap dancing and bring tap dancing to India, open a small studio.
Yeah.
And it just happened overnight for me. I just vividly remember that when I came in front of the camera, I felt extremely safe and protected, and I couldn't see anybody else. And I kept chasing that feeling more and more. And it has somehow led me here.
Definitely.
And I'm still trying to chase that feeling every day in my life.
But now, at this stage in your career per se, Radhika, do you feel, हर actor में एक भूख होती थी, okay, I have now got my due. Do you feel that is somewhere or the other lagging, or you feel कि okay, with the kind of work I'm getting, I have arrived or maybe getting my due?
I don't know. I don't think so. I have a lot of hunger of proving myself. I haven't reached that place of complacency where it's like, हाँ मुझे मेरा ड्यू मिल. नहीं वहाँ तक मुझे लगता है अच्छा है भी पहुँचना है नहीं है मुझे नहीं पता. प्यार मिलता है जो देखते हैं, appreciation मिलती है. I'm just enjoying the process of it so much that I don't like. I'm not thinking about the end goal that much.
Yeah.
If it makes sense, I don't know.
Radhika, I also want to know, you are sharing screen space with Akshay Kumar.
Mm-hmm.
Why I want to cross-check actually one thing. In our interview, Farida Jalal said कि अक्षय सर ना, मतलब वो पीछे उनकी बोर्ड रहता है जहाँ dialogues लिखा रहता है, and then he enacts the scene. Is it true?
Yes, he does do whatever it takes for him to get there, but he does get there with a lot of ease and experience and comfort. Yeah.
But he is also a fitness freak.
Oh, for sure. हम अगर भोर में शूट कर रहे थे या वाई में शूट कर रहे थे, वो ट्रैक्स पे निकल जाते थे अपने लंच ब्रेक में, पहाड़ चढ़ के आ गए हैं नीचे 1 घंटे में. So he's really professional, really into fitness.
But what was some of the compliment he gave you and you were like, oh, thank you so much?
I think it was like at our screening in Pune, where in front of people he said that it's one of the best performances he's seen, and I was hearing this for the first time from his mouth. And I was like, what? He's always been very kind. He's always been very appreciative. That मैंने picture देखी बहुत अच्छा लगा. But that just showcases his grace.
Yeah, true.
And एक बड़प्पन होता है कि आप नए talent को encourage कर रहे हैं या validate कर रहे हैं या उठा रहे हैं. So I think वो grace उनमें बहुत है.
Radhika, I also have one question. No doubt you both as a pair look phenomenal on screen, especially with the kind of roles you both are performing in the film. But जैसे ही ये pairing बाहर आती है, especially between an actor and actress ना, एक phenomenal होता है कि okay, if an older actor is romancing young actress, it's fine. But if it is a vice versa scene, people judge या लोग ना कहीं accept नहीं करते हैं. What is your take on the sexism or say the ageism phenomena pertaining?
I agree कि we're yet to find roles जहाँ पर हम ज़्यादा नहीं देखते एक older woman या younger guy को लेके. I think we've seen it like maybe in The Suitable Boy and other projects, but not as frequent as we see the other way around. With Sarfara, it it was written in the screen. We justified it a lot. From the word go, we justified it. Like my opening
Yeah.
scene justifies why is she doing what she's doing, and they were more than the exterior or the superficiality of it. They were connected to each other's minds a lot. They saw themselves in the other person, and where the society couldn't. And I think that was a point of attraction, the respect, the common vision of reaching somewhere in their lives. And I think that was the point of attraction. That's the reason it felt fair when I signed on this project.
Yeah.
But yes, I would want to see the other way around as well, more frequently.
Radhika, also, you know, one of the things you have battled in your career is कि you transition from a certain medium, right? Back then, was it flexible? क्योंकि आज we have OTT.
Correct.
Like to an extent where every actor gets an opportunity to do what they want.
Correct.
But back then, was it this flexible?
No. You had a tag of either a television actor or a movie actor.
Yeah.
There was no space in between. So the tags were pretty harsh. But I never believed in them. I don't know. Nobody like asked me कि मतलब audition के बाद पूछ रहे थे कि कुछ करा है कि नहीं करा है. I don't know. I didn't experience it as much. I was scared a lot by other people that वो तो देखते भी नहीं है, वो तो audition भी नहीं करते TV वालों को, ये भी नहीं करते, वो भी नहीं करते. I didn't experience that. I did audition with Mukesh Chhabra and Shanu Sharma and everyone, and they were very capacious. Yeah. They didn't judge me for anything. They were just commenting on what I was performing, and that seemed fair at that point.
But as an actor, do you feel it's fair कि you associate an actor with a medium rather than their craft?
No, it's not fair. An actor is an actor.
True.
And if they're able to perform your script, that is it. That's great.
But you know, after you did television, were you out of work for a certain period of time? How did you gather that courage कि okay, things will work out in future? Because हम ना बहुत जल्दी demotivate हो जाते हैं.
मैं बहुत motivated थी. Life was teaching me patience, perseverance, and I knew it. I knew that, I don't know, there was this voice inside me which was like कि मिलेगा. But जब मिलेगा तो बस खड़ी मत रहियो. Train yourself, prepare yourself so much that when you get that opportunity, you hit a six. So उस period में मैंने खुद के ऊपर बहुत मेहनत करी. मैंने थोड़ी delusional भी थी, मैं थोड़ी सरफरी थी. And I was just watching 2 films a day, working out, learning different skills, workshops, acting workshops, a lot of things I was doing at that point. And कि बस मौका आ जाए. मैं फिर उस टाइम पे मेरे को ये नहीं करना कि अरे ये कैसे हो गया, या तो मैं बिटर बन के जा रही हूँ, या तो मैं ये फेयर नहीं है, ये वो नहीं है. अपने हाथ में जितना है उसमें एक्सेल करो, उसमें 100% दो. फिर डेस्टिनी कभी ना कभी तो साथ देती है, कभी तो देगी. साल लग जाए, महीने लगे, साल लगे, मुझे लगता है वो मौका जरूर आता है, लेकिन उस मौके पे चौका मारना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है.
You know, you rightly said, because when I was reading a Kriti Sanan's interview during Mimi, she said कि it's not that कि मैं ये मदर का रोल नहीं कर सकती, but it's about me getting that one opportunity and the makers giving me a chance to do it. Do you believe कि it's about that one opportunity that actors should get to maybe prove their mettle?
For sure, मौका बहुत जरूरी है. मिलता है, नहीं मिलता तो आपको बनाना पड़ता है कुछ ना कुछ करके. जैसे आफ्टर पटाखा nobody saw me in अंग्रेजी. उनको लगा क्या ये 12 किलो गेन करके मदर का रोल भी प्ले. मैंने पटाखा के अंदर फर्स्ट हाफ was different, second half I played a mother. It was my debut. So ये कहाँ से 17 साल का प्ले करेगी, दिखती है ऐसा है. नहीं यार, तुम गाँव वाला ही करो. बहुत सारी चीजें होती है. But I got, homie gave me that opportunity. I begged for an audition. I didn't just wait for them to come to me.
Yeah.
I begged for an audition. Yeah. And they did give me that opportunity of an audition.
Yeah.
And they had that belief, and I got to do अंग्रेजी. Otherwise कोई नहीं देख पा रहा था मुझे. मैं इनको स्क्रीनिंग में नहीं पहचान पा रहे थे. मुझसे मेरी परफॉर्मेंसेस के बारे में बात कर रहे थे कि एक लड़की आई है, पटाखा में काम किया, बहुत अच्छी है, तेरे को पता है उसका नाम? मैंने बोला मैं ही हूँ. So it was very different. कभी बनाना पड़ता है मौका, कभी आ जाता है. आप रेडी रहने चाहिए.
True. Radhika, one more thing, आपने अभी बोला ना कि you gained weight for that film. That is because a character demanded.
Yes.
But after that, whenever you were maybe going out, were you ever judged for the body you are in? Like maybe a fat shaming or even slim shaming happens nowadays a lot.
Yeah, because they didn't know. A lot of them had not seen Patakha.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling.
So yeah, definitely. But I used to tell them that it's for a role because I was of a certain body size at that point. But I also, I don't know, I would have, if it was helping my health and mental health, I would have sustained it.
Yeah.
It's just that I know a particular weight or not even like shape, a particular weight really helps me with my fitness journey, helps me improve my fitness journey. So I wanted to get there because of that,
Yeah.
not because of any external factor of कि heroine ऐसी दिखनी चाहिए. I just wanted to be healthy,
Yeah.
and that is it.
But you know, I have seen in your career trajectory, one thing is very good कि आपने ना कभी खुद को बॉक्स नहीं किया कि ओके मैं यही रोल कर सकती हूँ या but did it also take a courage to say no to a lot of project as well where maybe आपको या तो रिजेक्ट किया गया या you rejected the project.
Yes, and that too very initially in my career, because after Pataka, a lot of village roles were coming up to me. After Angrezi, सारे बच्चों के roles आ रहे थे मेरे पास. So I know that the producers feel comfortable giving you a similar role because they've seen you do good in one. But I just get bored living one life.
Anyone would.
And I just didn't want to do it. So I used to say no, and a lot of people also told me that तुमको opportunity मिल रही है, तुम हो कौन, कहाँ से आए हो? मैं बोलती but मैं तो जी चुकी ना ये, मैं same चीज़ क्यों करूँगी?
True.
So it did take a lot of courage.
Yeah.
To say no at that point, especially. Right now, people still, they understand your trajectory and they're like, "Haan, sure."
Yeah.
At that point, people took it to their hearts, and my parents were also like, "Are you sure?" And I was like, "Yeah, I've done it. अभी दूसरा कुछ करते हैं." So yeah, it did take that courage.
Lastly, Radhika, before I move on to some quick questions, have you ever brunt the bear of nepotism in the industry? Because with the kind of variety of roles, with the kind of portrayal you are doing now, did it happen to you?
Yes. But it also happened the other way around. Somebody was locked and I asked for an audition and then I was taken. So it has happened both ways. I've been, like I've been replaced and I've also replaced somebody. So I did experience both.
It was, I think, during Student of the Year 2 also, now it's like you were...
Not really. Student of the Year audition was really bad. I gave a very bad audition for that.
Really?
Yeah, it was the worst audition of my life.
You are that particular about your work?
Yeah, worst audition of my life.
Okay, so before wrapping this up, just some quick questions. These are some amazing questions and you have to be as quick as you can. Radhika, what does love mean to you?
Empathy.
3 green flag and 3 red flags in a guy you look for if you are dating.
Red flag is lack of communication.
Yeah.
If a person shows off money. Third would be if they're not introducing you to their friends or family is still later on, but even to their close friends. Green flags, sensitivity, empathy, respect.
Okay, a rumor you heard about yourself but you laughed it off.
That my father paid Balaji to cast me in a television show. I wish he had that kind of money.
Dream director, your dream director.
Zoya Akhtar.
Your dream genre, a genre you want to do.
Not genre, I really want to play an antagonist.
Yeah.
So that will be a dream role, like a really layered, dark antagonist on lines of Joker, like Harley Quinn or something.
Never know. If you are cast in a 2-heroine movie, who would you want alongside you? Well, you have done one.
Yeah.
In future as well.
I'll take Sanya only. My favorite.
Sanya is amazing. I agree.
Sanya or Alia.
If you get an opportunity to work with one of the Khans of Bollywood, who would it be?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay, your fond memories with following co-stars. Sanya, first of all.
Oh, she's family. I think the best memory is... I remember I won my first award for Pataka, the Debutante Award,
Yeah,
Star
best
Screen
female
Award.
debut.
And I straight away went to her place and she held my award and she was crying buckets for me. That's my fondest memory with her. Like, that's her grace.
But that's really gracious of her as well.
Yes. It's beautiful.
Sunny Kaushal.
Fondest memory. There's one thing I can't tell you, okay? It's with him, it's like, the one memory that comes to my head is that we were supposed to do a romantic scene and our rooms were right across each other. And I was listening to Lag Ja Gale and all those ghazals that Aapki aankhon. So and we were just getting out of our rooms. We were called for the scene. and our doors opened at the same time, and मेरी लग जा गले चल रहा था, उसके अंदर सब hardcore पंजाबी music चल रहा था, जिसके अंदर कड़ियाँ ऊंचियाँ रखियाँ, and I was like, we are in a different zone altogether. So that just describes his personality and my personality.
But still, you guys looked very good. And I want to say, Shiddat is one of my favorite movies. I can still watch it anytime. Because
Thank
of
you.
the songs and because of the plot lines.
Thank you so much.
Abhimanyu Dasani.
My fondest memory is me discovering for the first time that he's Bhagyashree ma'am's son. I didn't know. I didn't know. I went to his place for a reading, and that's when I saw it on the photo frame that I've seen her, like, she's Bhagyashree, what is she doing? That's when I was mad.
Dimple Kapadia.
I love her, dude. I love her. I think every moment I spend with her is great.
Nimrat Kaur.
I actually just got I got the time to spend with her during promotions.
Yeah.
And she's a fellow Delhiite, and
I know.
it's just we connected on the food.
With your Kutte co-stars, Arjun and Tabu, though I know you don't have much screen time with them there per se, but still.
Their stories, they
Yeah.
have been in the industry since long, and so I loved hearing their stories. Really opened up my mind.
Lastly, Irfan Khan.
To never stop being a student.
Yeah.
That is something that I learned and observed every day with him.
Radhika, what about your upcoming projects? What's next on cast for you?
Rumi Ki Sharafat, which is my
Yeah.
5th collaboration with Maddock. It's a comedy. And Sana, which did its international rounds. And I also won my first award as a best actor internationally for that film. So that's going to come out this year. And yeah, those two.
Really waiting for that, and thank you so much for this, and looking forward to see you going at international level.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Radhika Madan, and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.